All right, greetings, everybody. I'm not sure if we have everyone admitted. It looks like everyone's in from the waiting room. I want to say thanks to all of you for taking some time out of your Saturday to join us. This is the informational session for the College of Integrated Science and Engineering. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about the college itself, a kind of overview, but I'm sure most of you are here to learn about the great academic programs that we have in the college. My name is Jeff Tang. I serve as the Associate Dean of the College of Integrated Science and Engineering, and I'm going to be your host for the first part of the presentation today. Note that you can come and go whenever you'd like to, so we may have people joining us partway through, and that's totally great too. Let me just share my screen here, and you should be able to see my screen now. All right, I hope that's true. Can somebody give me a thumbs up if that's working? Oh, no, you're all muted. All right. I'm assuming you can see my screen, and I will start my very short presentation. As I said, I'm going to leave most of the time for the academic programs. I'm representing the College of Integrated Science and Engineering today, James Madison University, for the virtual open house session. And what you need to know about our college is that we really focus on real-world problem solving. We get hands-on. We are very involved. And so we don't just study things theoretically or in the abstract. We don't just think about how society might improve problems. We actually go out and do problem solving, not just our graduates, but our students themselves. So that can range anywhere from doing outreach to K through 12 gardens, like you see in this picture, to working on an installation of a biochar installation on a farm, to working to design a computing solution to a particular problem that we have. So we really focus on taking knowledge and applying that knowledge, which makes us a bit different than, say, the College of Science and Mathematics, which focuses much more on theoretical knowledge. And so while we value the theoretical, what we really get excited about is applying that knowledge, thinking about what kinds of applications we can have, but we focus on applications that really can help people. We're a very people-focused college. We always think about why are we doing something, what's the best solution for the people involved, and trying to come up with those kinds of answers. And so rather than it being separated from the people, I think we really want to integrate the people and really think about them. One of the distinctive things we have in the college that is certainly different from some programs you'll find in other universities is a really strong focus on undergraduate education. The faculty members that are at JMU and the ones that you're going to hear from today okay, you are not seeing presentation mode. Oh, okay. I just realized that. All right, well, I will see if I can switch my screen sharing. Sorry about that, folks. Thought I had the screen sharing set up. Let me try this one. All right, does this work a little bit better? Okay, hopefully you can see it a little bit better now. Apologies for that. Anyway, as I was saying, one of the distinctive features we have of the College of Integrated Science and Engineering at JMU is we really do focus on that undergraduate student experience, that we don't have a lot of graduate programs. Our faculty members are here because they really want to teach undergraduate students. They really want to share their knowledge with you. And we tackle problems that are very difficult, that some of the societal challenges that we're facing are very significant: climate change, renewable energy, cybersecurity, and all kinds of IT-related issues. They're really challenging problems, and the programs we have can be challenging, but we're really here to help you. We have a very collaborative atmosphere. We've just instituted a new mentor collective program where upper class students help out the incoming students. So we're really a supportive community focused on helping you learn and taking that knowledge and really helping people with it. Now, my guess is that you're here for the undergraduate majors that we have, and all the 5 majors you see on the screen right here are represented today. Engineering is perhaps the one one of them that you might know the best. Our engineering program has a little bit different take on engineering, though. It's really focused on a more comprehensive view, a multidisciplinary approach or a transdisciplinary approach to engineering education. So rather than focus on mechanical engineering or chemical engineering, it really takes a more general approach and looks at a lot of different elements. If you're interested in that, you can talk to the engineers and join that session. Computer science program is a really solid, well-rounded program that explores a number of different aspects of computer science's applications. sessions. Know that it's about a lot more than just creating a website or something. You really do get in the nitty gritty of coding and using the computer to solve problems. And then we have a geography program that if you think of geography as just studying, state capitals and rivers, you will find it's a whole lot more than that, thinking about space and place and how they can be used to solve problems. Intelligence analysis is not about learning to be a spy. It's about taking in all kinds of information in a really complex world and trying to decrease the uncertainty for decision makers as they go to try and make informed decisions. Really structured thinking techniques, a lot of research and presentation, strong critical thinking skills. And then finally, the Integrated Science and Technology, or ISAT program, is a literally unique major that doesn't exist kind of anywhere else in the world, and it involves a really problem-centric approach to solving science and technology problems, thinking about all the different aspects that you might need to approach a problem. At this point, I'm going to hand off to each one of those academic programs, and they are going to tell you more about their majors. I hope I've given you some information. If some of you want to stick around and ask more questions about the general college, you're welcome to. But at this point, we're going to go to breakout rooms and start those.